For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. It's Golden Arrows 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. Umdlalo Betway Premiership, Sundowns are still second, just 1 point behind E-Log leaders, Sekhukhune. Sekhukhune now have 2 games in hand. Bana 19 points, Sundowns is on 18. Balandele ke abanye. Namhlanje, I will be speaking to South Africa's favorite analyst, Junior Khanye. Ufasizaza namhlanje.
Hey, yangithi wenza so much. Angithi, you know what, in your mind, in your mind.
Yeah.
This thing with the Townsy losile. Now, the Pirates, they are 3 points ahead once they win their all games. Though Agus could win a game.
Games in hand.
It doesn't mean good power win.
Yeah.
But obvious the truth is, bana this thing effect, whether we like it or not, Pirates they are bana advantage. If ngalama player now, bana a chance, yeah.
But guess Sekhukhune have advantage. Sekhukhune are leading. Sekhukhune are leading, so we must always give them credit. Junior, good job, fit.
My brother kunjani?
I'm okay.
Yeah, ngibulise just. Yeah, ithi indaba ngifundiswe isikhathi ngibulise le yamulindo phepha ngibulise. Kuleko my brother. Ngibulise uDie Hard. Ebafethu kunjani keep on supporting Itiski TV fighting no try to fix South African football. Sundowns bebangekho convincing about 3 games 4 games. I'm not surprised if they are losing in today's game. They were not convincing as usual. Mangabhenge game eKaizer Chiefs, babhenge game eMagesi. Been poor mfethu. I know they won through one last time. Ngizwenye ingwenya yamangibuze favor Sundowns ukuthi indlale kanjani because besingayenzi lo game. It was so convincing. Mangibheka
the game against Durban City.
Yeah, Durban City missed the penalty. Yeah. If I watched it, ngihamba ngiyobukela game, Durban City missed the penalty. Kuthenye into the game was so close. Obvious some results asitshele enye into. Yabona? Going to the game, I think the weather condition labafana laba ibanika advantage. Though 2 teams they were playing, but ibanika advantage.
Sure.
Iweather njengale, I think labafana they were ready for the weather. Well done for complimenting coach. I think the game plan from the coach works very well, which is Mangoba. Coach Ilego Sundowns, he won things with Sundowns, with Beats, also with Mangoba. You understand? He also coached Mamelodi Sundowns as a head coach. He knows individual players there. So he knows the best out of those players and how it's team idlala ngakhona uyazi. Now the way Sundowns play na ngakhona.
It showed namhlanje.
Yes, true. Asikhulume ngegameplay yakhe today iyo ngithi weather condition idlala indima enkulu. These players they were ready, always winning the second ball, very aggressive from Golden Arrows. Gameplay na the coach here today. Well done to this Count Love and well done to Dion and Mfana Maxwell as well. Players I think they show up today and coach the game plan was Sobambi Sundowns come counter attack. There are players who doesn't have to come back all the way when we defend. We will allow them to build up. Sundowns, I think the mistake coach yenzile kuwet today. Udlala nge-high line. Udlala ngalo mfana uMalibonge no Kibido. Kuwet udlala high line.
And pace wise,
I don't understand. Kumanzi udlala high line. Vele somehow they will catch you. In today's game, I think don't them shy too much. Udlala high line, iweather ivumi, yabona iweather condition kusho ukuthi kufathazile kancane. Ibhola la slipara, angel bump le bhola. Should anything ibhola mabala whether umuntu kuphasile okanye just miskick the ball. La jumper one of the defender kusho ukuthi on trouble always ngizoface ipaleni. Mistake ayenzile coach udlala high line, sayibona iweather condition udlala high line. Wes udlala ngolibanga uMalibonge Khosa. The boy when nobody's pressing him, pass the ball, he look pretty on the ball. If akunamuntu ompressayo uMalibonge, but always make bad decision umfana. Nade way receiver ngakhona as a center back. Udlala ngathi is playing alone. Nada manje ukuze uKipido walimale lapha. Why playing that ball square out of position? West udlala square la inhloko. So coach, I think uMancoba uyibona ibadlali high line. I think he knew. Yabo obvious noma ngabe bekumanzi. Into engizoyenza front three they are going to cheat. They're not going to drop all the way. They're going to play ngizodlala nga 2 wingers, front 2 wingers with Yongabe central. And then I'm going to find the counter attack. I understand. And well done to this Cosby, Bexwell always getting ready. That's why I get him in the front ring we told you number 10 Mangaiko available. Mangaiko on song. Number 10 Wabu Maxwell was on song today. And well done to him. Always we are cheating and Maxwell allows Abomko and then have the ball. About Pambil. Ball rotating Sundowns over Shaile's hand. But they are abana threat. Rotating ball ground long, going sideways. They're not even going central. is this guy mhlambe who came second half, this guy Nuno. I think they've got a big fish there. It just that's funny we can't praise the guy, but the touches as chile won't understand. The way he's so comfortable. And we mbona akafuna delay ball. He goes direct. I think on the bench he was a coach probably. Him njoba ngisho play hleli ngaphandle bench he becomes a coach. Uthe makayibheka first half. We rotate the ball, we know how many times they went behind the defense yalabantu labe Arrows. Because Imanqoba into ayenzile today, tactically he got it right. I-defense yakhe, ama-defender bekwa-defend. He played in a back four, udlala nga-3 in the middle. It was a 4-3-3, and it works very well, mfethu. 3 midfielders, I think 2 sitting, 1 Nomfana Maxwell in front of them. 3, badlala, bachita. And then going behind the defense of Sundowns, Oprim Diba, I think in today's games, bebana this thing, we know what Opri is going to go, and they're going to speed. First touch, you trapela forward, and a Gumans, and a well done, inside like a right, always in Kulmanga today's game. I think Kumangoba will have a danger Rasko and I go first half. I think the referee. Now, somehow got it wrong, somehow Kulmanga officials. Was Kobada, Big Mele Abu Yegi, Arrows Pumile, Lapang, Highline Sundowns, Bababambi, Lapa, Urevrangazubuno Ponzo, Rizipo, and then Wachacha that offside. Well, they tied him, you can't blame the referee. But going to half time, I think Arrows Big Mele Abia leader 2-0. Ngobi Sundowns, njoba ngisho building up slowly, playing in the middle field. I know my intention to go direct. You get compliment to this guy coming from the bench, Luase Portugal Nuno. By reading the game and say, I'm going to go central. I'm going to carry the ball, become a playmaker, ngizoleti creativity. I'm going to go, ngizozama create something out of nothing, going direct. And well done, he did that. Ngoba first half is Sundowns, they didn't deserve anything for me. I think Arrows, they can play very well. Not to say in terms of dominating the game. Maximum football, but with ending results. And he got Sundowns with that. Siyas badlali highline, ngizobadlala ngabantu abane-speed. Once badlali ball behind these 2 centre back, I know it's going to be a problem. And it works very well.
Yet, Junior, what's happening to midfielder Sundowns? Remember last week against Durban City, there were a couple of changes. Midfield 3 Sundowns. We saw the return of Jaden Adams, if I'm not mistaken. He started, but second half, he was substituted. What do you think is happening with the boy? What's happening? Because we all know Jaden Adams. We know the quality of Jaden Adams. And when he's on song, he's even in that Bafana team. But lately, he hasn't been featuring for Bafana. What do you think is happening with Jaden?
I'm not surprised. Players such as, when I'm a player for certain teams, these 3 big teams, Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns, anyway, abantu bangayibelieve. We've seen players there came babonile abunda bayithithi ngondlo. There's many. Ukuthi nje ngenza umzekelo ngayo mfana. Omunye angasho ukuthi ama tactics alawi lela jersey heavy shin. Bona ma expect mawugcoka there's expectation. Each and every number in a history yenzile individual. So leyo nto ikhera itself ikhera I-pressure on you. So umfana is no longer himself. His Sundowns is too heavy. Heavy. Imagine kuhlala umkhulisi ngaphandle, he's starting the game. And he's getting umfana ngiyambona unenhlanhla abalibele bamfaka. Umkhulisi being honest, akenzanga ne-excuse aphume. If you can recall, ubuyele nje at the back, urewind nje yonke into. Umkhulisi didn't akenzanga ne wrong. And umkhulisi uhleli nje ngaphandle. I think benze peace ukuthi is not going to play. If they were honest judging on based on performance, it's giving Sundowns nothing. So there are players for certain teams njoba ngisho kuwe. Lama team ayi-3 mfethu uza kune pressure. Inamba icarry I-pressure itself inumber 1. Inamba jersey number. It carry a pressure itself. So Jaden Adams kuna my expectations, which is I'm shy. I think live under my expectations. I'm shy lonto leyo. So umfana, it was better kubamlo nebag kuStellenbosch. Abeseduze nasekhaya. I think kunama player that they are bezoba easy for him. I think lonto le environment bezo keep the best of the boy. I read him aqale phansi. So going to this game, I think inala coach Mshako udlala ngoJaden Adams udlala ngoAlende. Alende one of the best talent, honestly. But Alende, going forward, attack with the ball, carry the ball, just bring the creativity in the Bashago Sundowns in the middle field. And also, this guy Matthews, for him, good as a game as our last 10 minutes. I don't understand why. So, technical director doesn't work hand in hand. The coach, it's a big problem because we don't know who to blame now. You understand? But me and I blame both of them. But when we check when I'm fit, it doesn't make sense for me. Ukubona this guy, njengalentwana le, I know he did very well. Lentwana le ingene le ukuthi yes, the boy, one of the uyabona iphethe enye into. Angisafuna ubona more. Angifuni nje ukuvele. But I play uyalibona nge first chance decision making. Lo mfana lo ungene mhlambe a second half 10 minutes 20 15 how many shots all off target almost getting something nakhona ama-touch khona kicks deflection uyambona ukuthi khona into ayiphethe always thinking to go and score and nama-touches wakhe movement of the ball good first touch as well bheka i-weather condition injani but ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi umfana mawuzomlahlela kulo mgodi lo odeep kangaka knowing ukuthi i-Sundowns they not been doing well kungukuthi set standard who's doing those decisions ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ubani wenza lawo decisions that's why ngithi technical director doesn't work hand in hand with the coach it's a big problem we don't know where to blame now so ulindo mentioned something important even nala le ntwana mele understand this card you must have time to put these players ngoba modern players abafana nama-player before I'm sorry to compare
Sure.
But players were before you can play him team down I'm
bringing something special.
character. Show the character. It doesn't mean just the character, but now they've got the talent. So well done, well deserved for me. Because even second half, we keep the front three when you front three akikhathele. He brought front three. Leke iskobe mele siphele nga 5. 5 la. Yes, singabaleki in shade. We need to be realistic. Indaba nenye into lama team ephethwe Premiership. If Sundowns lose,
20 seconds.
yeah, if Sundowns lose.
Yeah.
Now you might think nami angifuni team one win it can't easy win the league but ama team nama winner they will think that they are doing the right thing in South African football you must do the right thing and win we don't have a problem with that but now not playing funny football idlala ngama department and be consistency shade
5 seconds.
yeah well done to Golden Arrows I'm Mfethu Nyamniki uMancobi game plan work also the players complimented what the coach did well done.
Your time is up. Thank you, Junior. Thank you so for your analysis. Namhlanje, Mamelodi Sundowns lose their first league game of the season, losing to their former coach, to Golden Arrows, the team that the last time they lost to was way back in 2019. It's Golden Arrows 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Shapunjani bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.